good evening. Just I want to clarify that lots of queries that how to implement whatever you learn. So few exercises I like to give, which also help subscribers also. So after whatever the content you learn, after that you have to just monitor whatever you uh, feel to implement. Not everything like all the indicators will you find helpful or like complement or combine with your setup. So what first you do like for the Nifty, just I delete everything. Okay, now little bit just whatever today is 18. So we go back to previous month 18. Okay, after that just you, for example, you draw whatever you learn, implement all the levels like first we go daily time frame. Okay, refresh it. Now just whatever I teach you, you have to implement like first you draw all time high, then you draw the whatever the last trading price. Nifty generally range we took like around 500 points. So closing price below few round numbers, just 24,000. 1 2. Now upper side 1, or this is 2. Now just I guess this is enough, but still for safe side we draw one more levels. Now whatever the trend line we get here, so like this bottom trend line, same as like from one top uptrend and downtrend, two trend lines. Now if you get to any particular key levels, okay, so here we draw the rectangle pose. If you think then this trend line is also correct. Now just we go to narrow down. Don't jump into execute very fast. Just first week 2 week, just watch out the levels how we draw and how it's work. We can draw here a one again zone. Just below we can draw here again also at the closing price. If you think that you can draw here again one level. Now again we go to narrow down the like a 15-minute time frame or something, 3-minute time frame. It is a very steep trending market, so you have to again keep in mind that the next day you can have a range bound market. Let's for us just to check, we draw this again one trend line. It is very steep, likely to break down just because market we don't know, it is a previous market, so where it's open next day. Now 5 minutes, some kind of like a consolidation in second half. Oh, if you wish, then you can draw like the inverse fallen flag pattern, likely to, if possible, that the trend is negative. Now is either side breakout, give good move, and we have just nearby some support and resistance, so we look forward to it. Now 3 minutes. Now just for your knowledge, we just open a Bollinger Band. What we learn because we learned volume and moving averages. That's it we use for up till now. So here we have Bollinger Band, and in between we have this green color line, which is again a moving average. So you have here two support and resistance. Bollinger Band's dynamic support and resistance, and it's a mean reversal and all the concept we going to implement here. Okay, so we are right now on 3 minute time frame. Now let's see where market just first candle form. Okay, so it is like open deep gap down. So again, previous day it is a strong bearish move, and this opening will also give that negative trend is still exist. So now it is a long leg doji candle. We mark a first candle high, just a minute, and first candle low. Now just wait what it trying to this deep gap down and long leg doji doesn't communicate to us what he want to the market want to do. So wait. Now the second candle is inside candle, again it is a like long leg doji. Now it is trying to retest the first candle high. It's like from like this. So two things can happen. First candle breakdown and it's like going in selling, or it's like a V-shaped recovery type pattern forming because it's a form hammer. First candle support just about the round number. Here we already marked exact level where it test and bounce, and first candle close in green. Second candle is don't breach the first candle low, so the buyers are resist to go down. Third candle is form hammer. So learn to chart interpretation what it's trying to say. Now it is a location is good, hammer is formed. So now the let's wait for it's a breakout. Okay, also the Bollinger Band is overbought condition. So mean reversal concept or the moving average concept. What is moving average concept implement here? The candle should follow the moving average is follow it, otherwise moving average follow it till the moving candles are consolidating. Once the moving average reach to it, then it's give the further move. So if the matlab rules wise, if the candles high breakout, then our entry is execute here, and also it is a reversal trade because the market trend is negative. We are taking to contra bullish trade. So 1 versus 2 is the first target, or 1 versus 1, whatever you are comfortable, because just the market open and it is very volatile. So your chances to hit stop loss is very high. So 1 versus 1, 1 versus 1.5, it's a good trade. So now let's see the next candle what it do. Okay, so it's a breakdown. So we already took a entry here. What the concept and rules say. First we took just a minute. We took our stop loss. It's like just 33 point. So what's our 1 versus 1.5 target is this, and what our 1 versus 2 target is. Okay, so let's see what happened next. Just it's a reverse. Again in a bullish and almost previous swing test. Now it's formed like a doji. Second candle is almost I guess give 1 versus 1.5 target, not now, almost there, and boom. What is your 1 versus 2 plus target? This is how what you interpreted your chart after learning. Now see, here is your first trade done. You got a 68 point in spot. Maybe in premium you get less or something. After this you gap down the market, and this is a Thursday by the way. So this day market is like a expiry day is a premium. You got a good spike in your premium. So your first trade is complete. Now see, it is still the mother and child candle formation. First candle is a very giant candle, and rest candles are inside it. So it is a mother and child candle. So now let's see what further it going to do. A little bit pullback again pullback. Now again after a little bit pullback, it's again trying to bounce, not retracing much. Almost about to retracing the first candle high, taking resistance at first candle high and round number. Just remember, just above is we have 20 moving average. Now these three resistance are here. like a first candle high, round number, and 20-day moving average. So it's now cluster of resistance, and it's formed some kind of shooting star. Okay, so maybe it's a rejection. Now if same as here we follow the hammer, and here if this low break and it's formed like a C, एक giant bearish candle, थोड़ा सा pullback and retest, now bounce, and same candle. Now see, sellers are waiting for opportunity. Now the sellers got the cluster of three resistance, so now they maybe participate here to bring down the market at least the previous swing low, or and then maybe break down, retest, and took to further down. Let's see what happened next. So it's a breakdown the first candle low, but it's a form like a spinning top, some kind of candle. Now it's a taking rejection and forming like a very big tail bullish candle. So it seems like it's going trying to go up, but we wait for the this cluster of resistance breakout. Okay, see, some kind of a spinning top pattern, and the Bollinger Band is compressing. So exploration we are expected here. 20-day moving average now again very stick to the candles. So any big blast we are going to see here somewhere either side. Okay, still the hammer is a valid in pattern wise. Okay, so here you can just the one candle more. Okay, so here we can took a two thing can happen. See, this shooting star, it's a give here the rejection, but it's cross above this. Now the second thing, moving average give a particularly reversal trade like here. A previous candle high break, and the particular next candle is not touching the moving average. So let's take yeah, here we again took like a uh, some kind of a 1 versus 2 ka target. We are going to see what happened, I don't know. And here you can see cluster of resistance if this breakout. So lots of sellers put their stop loss on round number, and this swings high, first candle high plus some point of buffer. So if we this break down, then one good spike we expect, and in this spike we should book our profit. Okay, so let's see what happened. Two candle is going again us. Now it is some kind of a full small candle, but a full body green candle. Anything can happen. Again, see, it is going to down, and almost are about to stop loss hit. Just about to our stop loss hit. Now see, strong our stop loss hit here, but it is to forming like strong rejection candles, like they want to blast upper side. Now let's see what happened. Took again resistance at a R level. Now this two things can happen. See, here on spot our stop loss we can see like a hit here, but maybe in premium our stop loss not hit. First thing. Second thing, this much buffer I guess it's enough, but this because of this Thursday today, so that's why thoda sa idhar udhar. The third thing is the maybe because of this much gap down already open, and this candle are just again follow the mother candle pattern. So here maybe I don't know, but the market is consolidating so much here as the expiry there, and closing between zone, or maybe in second half it will give a blast. But see, if we have almost 1 versus 5 ka target, it's not just give. Let's see what happens next. Now it's maybe we our stop loss maybe hit here. Okay, see, just we are expecting a blast that we got here. So surely here in this second trade, our stop loss hit or whatever, so you can see that this is the cluster of resistance. So you can book your profit here. 1 versus 1 ka target we got here, and 1 versus 5 ka not. Now see what it's trying to tell. Let's we interpret chart further. Now it's a, this is the particularly one type of zone. Now this is breakdown, retest again like a form two candles which are again still big weak bottom side. So maybe Let's not eagerly interpret it. Just wait for 1 2 more candles. See the blast, you can see the big wick which are reject to go down, and just it's trapped with one candle, and here it's blast. Now what you do here? You do here in and out method. What is in and out method? Just I write down to sure remember what is in and out method. In and out method, as we discussed here, we already have this cluster of resistance. So you have here a one kind of level. It's a breakout first. Okay, it's already did, and it's again pull back. Okay, it's just go down also. So here again, if you follow in and out method, then again it's a hit your stop loss. So two stop loss and one target. Again, it's from hammer at the first candle low. Now again overbought to this 20-day moving average. So now we can just somewhere here or here we can put one swing, this swing. Now let's wait for this swing respect or breakout. So this swing is a breakout but took almost 100% rejection. Okay, so now again we wait for this low breakdown, sell side, at least this previous swing and a little bit above. What we are following here, this zone, it's a respect first. Now this is a breakdown and retest, and if it want to go down, then it should break this rejection candle low and go like follow the lower low lower high trend here. Let's see what happens next. No, it's won't execute here lower low lower high. Instead it took support here and breakout. Now further what it's trying to do, let's understand. Again it's formed like a mother child candle. Now see here it's again formed breakout, previous swing, and further it like here. It should go till red line. Okay, so here you can compensate when you get the directional move. So what happened? First trade is successful, second trade is here you hit stop loss, here you hit stop loss, here again you have 3 stop loss, here 2 target, and again it's beautifully follow the lower low lower high. Now see here one doji candle. Let's wait what happened. Let's then interpret it further. Maybe it goes further down. Now here we have this again, can say some kind of swing. Not at least consider this swing, previous swing. Now 20-day moving average trying to push till this red color ka level. Then it's now reverse. Again we draw a trend line here, or maybe from here somewhere we can draw. Now let's see what happened. Still a rejection. If this previous swing low it's again break, then it's further go down, or if this trend line is breakout and this previous swing zone, then it can go up. So it's trying to break previous swing. Now it goes below, so not trigger the reversal contract rate. Now here after breaking this zone, it can go for the down, but we don't took any trade because it's almost 3 o'clock. So it's a further go down, but it's a in live market it's very hard to predict. After opening gap down and after falling this much, further it's a breakdown till this level, almost 136 point plus. Okay. Now if we use all our advanced levels, so maybe we can interpret it right. See here it is a monthly pivot. After breakdown this, it goes a very fall straight fall till this weekly pivot, then it's bounce, and once it's break down, then this is our first target pivot, and then we don't have next pivot, so we can took here a 1 versus 2 risk reward wise trade. Now let's see what happened next. Just hide this 1 hour time frame. How to draw next day levels. So we already have this trend line. Again we have this trend line also. Now we have draw here one trend line from this previous support. So that's okay. Now if you wish, then you can mark this gap with a blue color. You can choose your own color. Now again we go to 15 minutes. Any levels that we miss, one wave start falling. Maybe here we can have one mark support, this swings. Now we have here 3 minutes on time frame. Now here we have a trend line here, one swing. Next resistance is this, and support here the round number and trend line. Now let's see first candle opening. It's open gap up and just above two trend line plus our resistance. Now it's maybe act as support, but don't eagerly interpret it. Let's wait. Just mark first candle high and low. What is trying to do next? Almost taste first candle high, but don't breach. Again, it's a form like doji candle, but just we wait. See now here we have pullback. Now if this takes support and hold, then we can go long with a small stop loss. It's almost taste our support trend line and long leg doji type candle. Let's see what. Just 1 minute. We open the Bollinger Band. Okay, wait. So it's a overbought condition right now and oversold condition, and just maybe it's a mean reversal or maybe the moving average follow it. Just one more candle. See the long leg doji's high is breakout and almost taste first candle high. If this again break out, then we can go for a long, or we should wait at least this resistance surpass. So first target is this previous swing zone. Again it pull back, trying to almost break down and close below first candle high and swing. Let's see what further it close further below. So wait and reject almost from doji. Okay, so now as it's a reject to go down and from doji, it's like a indecision in market, and now it's a breakout, मतलब almost doji के बाद bullish candle. So it's look like that it should follow the uptrend, and if we can draw like trend line also we draw here, but now we don't draw. Almost taste previous swing. So we got here 1 versus 2. Okay, now the rejection maybe took from the resistance. Let's see what happened further. Almost from that level previous swing, it continuously after some kind of M pattern, it's trying to retest the support. Almost test support. It's formed like a bullish harami pattern. If you willing to here, then maybe it's a aggressive trade, but you can wait, or maybe you avoid this trade, because what happened, it's breakdown and yeah, retest here. Now further it's go down maybe, or here we have support from where it's exit bounce. So maybe the buyers waiting again to test this level. It's almost test. Now the buyers is bring the bullish giant Mariboso type candle to trap the sellers. So wait, what happened? So something I look like that if it's rejection candle in this much low candle, I should wait, otherwise I took entry here once this forming hammer after the low is break, but still we wait. Now see, if this low break, then I took entry, or if it's a high break and break this resistance, then we took long once it's a go above the 20-day moving average. Here now what 20-day moving average is also come in our favor to push the market down. Okay, so here it goes little bit in our favor and then it's a bounce back. Now see, again almost 100 strong Marubozu type candle. So our method here is to again previous swing, or maybe further go up, but 1 versus 2 is at least we took our stop loss here. It's again a little bit big stop loss. Almost our target. Now let's see, this 20-day moving average push up to say this is 2 times almost this swing. So if again it's break out this, so maybe we got one bullish candle. Let's see what happens. It's violate the 20-day moving average, bring below the resistance. Now it's again almost 2 o'clock, so we stop trading, and here it's just about to with a big Maribozu type of bearish candle breakdown, and here some kind of day end. Okay, chalo one more day we check. As I thought, this time we use with advanced level. So we update our chart. This trend line is valid now. This extended and this small trend line, both we draw here. One gap we have. Now we are on all our levels, which increase. Let's say, will this increase our accuracy or not? Right now we are just taking basic price action technical analysis, and now we are implement the layers of indicators to increase our winning rate and accuracy. So will it work or not? Let's see. So today, as the market is sideways, so we have the narrow CPR. Previously, see, if this is wide CPR, so we already know that today is a sideways market, and it's like this much volatile and sideways, but in between these swings, it's not big outside. So we have here virgin CPR, but not it far can go, or it go, then it's like a just we here checking one more day. So let's see, the market may go till that level. So here we got a good Marubozu type opening, just break out the trend line, symmetric triangle pattern का भी break out, Okay, just close above CPR. Just above we have resistance, monthly pivot, and weekly pivot. So just is Thursday. We start with Thursday. Na? We start with Thursday. Hmm. Okay, so almost 1 week ka we check here. Now let's see what happened. Uh, it's a ambush entry somebody can do here. So maybe it can get uh, a risky entry and go at 55 points, or I suggest to wait to first candle after settle down with 2 3 candles. Just pullback we get. Let's see what happens next. After pullback, it's trying to break out but form rejection candle, consolidating in this range, taking pullback. Now maybe see this 9-day moving average give push to go up, or might be it come till test this CPR and then go up, or might be it surpass all the level. So let's wait what it trying to do. Why CPR level going? क्या हुआ CPR लेवल पे चला गया? Just a moment. Now let's see what happened. 9-day moving average after testing its form green candle, again rejection, break down the previous swing, but taking support at the trend line. Small candle is formed, testing CPR. Now let's see. It's crossed the CPR almost and test previous day's swing low, and also the closing price. Now from green candle, almost trying to go up, consolidating. Now this CPR will decide what to do. If this zone is breakdown, then we can go long, matlab short, or the first candle, second candle, very low target here. Let's see, and if it is go up, then we can go long. So here it trying to reject the rejection, reject matlab at the resist support. So many candles here form like flag pattern from doji and one bullish candle. Let's see if this 9-day moving average breach, not breach, it's a from red candle rejection. Now Maribosu type candle. Now it's break down this zone. Now yes, correct. Wait for a pullback, but see here it's from again long leg doji and bullish candle. My view is bearish here, but once it's a retest and go down, but it's like from a very strong rejection candle to go. Maybe it's trying to go up. So here, whatever if ambush entry you want to do ambush entry on this bullish candle, or you can wait for pullback. Almost this level we expect. चलो देखते हैं 2.5 times. Almost trying to go above CPR, but it resists. Again, okay, wow. It's a expiry day, and it's a hit our stop loss. Now see, if you want to otherwise after this volatile spike we don't took entry, but it's a breakdown which we expect here, retest and from like the bearish candle. Now I get closes in this zone. So this is it. This way we took one entry, but in CPR zone it's ready to go up. We almost if can got one versus one cut trade, and then we got in one spike. This is the expiry. Now here, let's check one more there. Loss, because this the previous month we have that much volatile days, and that happen once in a while. So we cannot say that the price action is not work. Now see, it is trending in this range. So price action wise, we are taking trades. So few give us good reward, few hit us strict stop loss. Okay. So if it is trading in range, so obviously our stop loss can hit. Now let's see what happened next. You can extend this like this way. Now let's see where market open. Again, it's open gap up almost previous day high. Not much bullish candle. Inside candle. Okay, so first candle high is break. Now see, you can do ambush entry if you wish, almost previous swing high, but here we have black color resistance zone. So you can wait or do ambush entry or wait for pullback. This second time is going to up almost Marubozu type candle. So let's we do took here entry, and if since two time it's the come from here, so if this breakout, then we got a liquidity and got a good bullish momentum. So we expect 50% our first target. Okay, at least we expect from beyond this. If the breakout, we have a blast in our favor, gamma blast. Almost see here it's a from rejection from M type pattern, and after this it's break down this 9-day moving average. So almost our first target is 1 versus 1, and almost our second target is 1 versus almost 1 versus 2 we got here, but still let's see if it is then go up or not. No, it's not. Almost come back. Now see, again we draw a trend line here, and it's trying to pull back till previous swing high. Now maybe the participant think like we think before, that it's breakout, then we took entry or wait for again a reversal. So here they got reverse. So now it's like breakout, pull back some kind of. Now if it is breakout again this swing, let's we mark this with yellow. If it want to go up, then it's a go from here. If buyers want to market to go up, or maybe if this breakdown, then market go down. Still we wait, nothing we got any reversal kind of a almost trying to go up. Okay, almost like it's a tweezer bottom tap pattern. Let's see this time it's go up or not. Almost 2 o'clock, break our stop loss. So that's a Friday trade. So fuse here some kind of 1 versus 2, and here one almost 25 point, or here 40 point. So here our stop loss is very sorry, here we got 80 point, or here 25 point ka loss. So we are still in profit. Just we took our trades on prediction, whatever the rules say. Now the market is like here it took rejection, where we almost are willing to think that it's breakout and goes in our favor. So someday the whatever pattern it's work, someday not. So here the perfect trade is we got 80 point, and here we are expecting the same, and we got stop loss here. So that's it. So this is what we learn here to analysis market. Now here you can do one in a live market you can predict 1 hour stamp, like what happened in next hour, what happened in next hour. Do practice and learn. If you have any question, then do comment, I will answer. And if you want to join this course, then you can have access at 26th January. Early birds have a discount. So see you tomorrow. We have a live tomorrow, and just one another stock equity cash wala video will upload soon.